I'm thrilled to invite on stage the owner of Karnataka Bulldozers and the managing director of Nandi Infrastructure Corridor Enterprise Limited and director AKK Entertainment Limited, Mr. Ashok Kenny, the team's brand ambassador and a very respectable actor, Mr. Ambarish, the mentor on the Karnataka Bulldozers. He is the true legend of India and pride of the nation, G.R. Vishwanath ji, and the team captain, Mr. Sudeep. A big hand to all these wonderful people. Welcome Ashok ji, Vishwanath ji.
Welcome. Namaste Sonu ji.
Namaste ji, आपको
Namaste to all of you.
आपने कुछ 25-30 किलो लूज कर लिया.
15, 20 more coming
not
up.
Not bad. You're getting younger and younger.
Then I'll act in my own films.
Then you can actually star in your own films. मैं नेहा आपको बता रहा था ना कि मैं इनका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. बताऊँ क्यों?
क्यों? क्योंकि इनको भी म्यूजिक का बहुत शौक है.
नहीं, म्यूजिक का शौक तो है इनको, वो तो है ही, लेकिन इन्हें एक अलग अंदाज से जिंदगी जीने का शौक है. इनको मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. He has the most interesting lifestyle I've ever seen. इनका बहुत बड़ा, नहीं बहुत सारे हैं, एक बहुत बड़ा मैंशन है, बहुत ही बड़ा, जिसमें एक लिविंग रूम है, एक बाथरूम है और 27 बेडरूम है.
27 बेडरूम्स?
अरे ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. ये अक्सर एक दिन और 7 रातों के लिए हॉलिडे पर जाते हैं.
एक दिन और 7 रातें ना, that's how is that even possible?
It is very interesting and बताता हूँ मैं. कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स की वेबसाइट पे खोलें तो आपको सबसे पहले ये 3 वर्ड्स नजर आते हैं, स्टड्स इन एक्शन. पता नहीं चलता कि ये क्रिकेट की बात कर रहे हैं या पर्सनल लाइफ.
लिसन सोनू, अब बहुत हो गया. हाँ, कुछ ज्यादा ही कर रहे हो.
अरे आई एम सीरियस. कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स में बाकी सब डोजर्स हैं, बुल ये है.
Come on, Sonu. I know about Mr. Kenny and Mr. Sudeep. Well, that's really special. Well, I know about Mr. Kenny and Mr. Sudeep. They both take CCL very seriously. Their team often reaches the venue 2 to 3 days before the match to practice.
Because the captain is so deep into cricket. मैंने तो सुना है कि इनके पास क्रिकेट खेलने के इतना सामान है कि अगर कभी इंडिया टीम के बुरे दिन आ जाएं तो ये उन्हें भी सामान सप्लाई कर सकते हैं.
Well, let's
सामान बहुत है सुदीप.
Let's ask Sudeep what the strategy he has behind, you know, behind sort of making the team.
Wherever we have Mr. Ashok Kenny, we always have things in abundance. Right? So whether it is a road or the equipment you're speaking about. And, well, I'll start off with my speech here.
Yeah, I hope you're going to answer our question. We just want to know what your strategy to win is, because we know you're a very strong contender as a team this year.
Before I speak or probably answer that question, I would definitely be honored to say this, that I'm glad our mentor, our icon, father figure, friend, everybody in one, all in one. Mr. Ambarish Mama is also here with us. And I think I want to welcome him on stage also. And this year we have Mr. the legendary G.R. Vishwanath ji with us, who has been coming to the side, who has been advising our team, looking after the team a lot. As for the CCL goes, yes, you said Mr. Ashok Kenny ji and me had taken seriously, probably the CCL very seriously. But I guess somebody had to. Otherwise, I guess CCL wouldn't have come so far. But then I guess I saw all the other teams taking it equally seriously, and finally I saw Chennai coming together in the finals and the way they won in style. You know, somewhere we had to do this, otherwise it would just be some actor stars wanting desperately to play cricket. trust me, we are not desperate. We are good cricketers here, all of us.
That we can vouch
all,
for.
all the particular
We
teams
can
here.
vouch for, absolutely.
And more than good cricketers, I could feel when we came into the hotel today also, we are all actually looking out for each other because I guess every team has become so friends with each other. Before the Seychelles started the first season, nowadays everybody's into BB. Right? So our accounts are probably everything was very small. Nowadays it's become too long. Everybody's BBing each other actually from here to there. Our brand ambassadors are BBing a hero here. And their brand ambassadors are BBing the Mumbai heroes there. So there is a lot of conversations happening. But only thing we saw is that our brand ambassadors are not even talking to us. So that is CCL today.
They are. I think they would be talking to Mr. Ashok Kenny.
And you are talking about our owner Ashok Kenny when actually there are many Ashok Kenny sitting right over here.
Oh, really?
Yes, very much.
I just know one.
And it is fun. It was equally fun and equally more, welcoming to see Sharad Kumarji walking to our stage, welcoming us, Boni Kapoorji coming there, welcoming our mentor. We meeting the Chennai people as soon as we came into the hotel, and the first team we saw is them, and the first thing we could actually voluntarily do is, just go around and hug each other. I think that's what we all did. And first thing I told that Seychelles has made a rule that Vikrant is not playing this year. Or either he's going to play in one hand. One of the finest cricketers of Seychelles last season, what we saw, and Andhra again, fantastic fighters last season. They should have made it to the finals. They were very good side last year, and I'm sure they'll come back stronger. And are all the heroes of Mumbai. The whole India looks up. Their films actually are heroes too. We are all their fans. Welcome again, and we are all glad we are here, sitting in this one big fantastic arena between all the fantastic legendary actors also. Thank you, we are here. And Ashok Kenny ji.
One of the things our brand ambassadors said, as listening to them to the TV, they asked, what do you think of Mumbai heroes? They said they're real eye candy. I hope they don't play real serious cricket. But I think they're very serious this year. They tell me that they've been practicing. What I'm very impressed this year is, I see the two new teams. They're really good. I saw the Kerala guys, rotating and doing the things. It's amazing. I think they're going to listen to them, going to do a good job with them. And I think I'm taking the bets on now because they tell me success of any game is when the people start betting on it. So I'll take bets on. We'll meet Kerala in the finals. Any bets? And last year we won the hearts of millions of people. This year we're going to take the cup home, and we're going to have the biggest single party ever in the history of India.
Wow.
We'll have 10 lakh people in the streets of Bangalore. We'll have that party, I promise you that. And last year actually we'd have won, but there I read an article in the paper just before the match. The rhinos are on the verge of extinction. So I said, let them survive for another year.
Oh, so bulldozers they favor kiya rhinos mein.
Bulldozers are going to bulldoze everybody, and our studs are going to be action. Girls, watch out. Watch out for your flat bellies.
Well, I hope you win, sir, with that enthusiasm. और मैं बस ये कहना चाहती हूँ, अगर कैप्टन को अपनी टीम पर पूरा भरोसा है, और हो भी क्यों ना, they're a team of extremely hardworking and dedicated active cricketers, supported by a fantastic team owner and everybody leading the team. So,
Let's call them.
Absolutely. But Sonu, I know that you have composed and sung, ladies and gentlemen, did any of you know this, that Sonu had composed and sung the theme song of the Karnataka Bulldozers. So why don't we welcome them in true Sonu Nigam style?
अरे मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस नहीं कहता.
Come on.
अच्छा, you have to give me the beat. ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯ ನಾಯಕರು ಆಟದಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಂದಿರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹರಿಸಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ ಇಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಜಯ ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿ ಕರುನಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ತರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಮಲೆನಾಡ ಹೀರೋಗೆ ಜೈ ಎಂದಿರಿ ಮೈಸೂರ ಜನರ ಸೈ ಎಂದಿರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಕಂಪನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ದೂರಿಂದ ನಾಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಂಚಬೇಕು ರಾಜರಂತೆ ಮಿಂಚಬೇಕು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ಸ್.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sonu Nigam and of course the Karnataka Bulldozers. Can we have you on stage, please?
Good evening.
डांस करते करते आने सब लोग.
ನಾಯಕರು ಆಟದಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಂದಿರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹರಿಸಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ ಇಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಜಯ ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
चलिए सबसे पहले सुदीप, the captain of Karnataka Bulldozer. Let's have a ramp walk. आप रैंप वॉक कर लो फिर देखते हैं. I want you to just walk the ramp first. अच्छा इस the mic. Okay. Wait. Mr. Ambarish जी कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Good evening. As I know this cricket and celebrities cricket before, not before CCLs happened. I thought it will be something else. But today dreams have come true. That first thing is that we all Indian celluloid, we create so many performance. All the artists of the country has created so many things. But we know that we are also perform well on the playground also. I hope this will be a day. This is the second year. So this has got such a big cloud from everybody. I know this will be better than ICC trophy one day. Thank you very much. Good luck to CCL. And our great supporter Ashok Kini and our captain and the good players. Everywhere they have come. The fitness of the artist is always there. Don't look at me. Everybody is fit. I know it will be a wonderful tournament. Hope for the wonderful success. Thank you.
I think that everybody has spoken, so Vishwanath ji also should speak something, sir.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody. And
Come on, guys, give a big hand.
When it started last year, I was not really involved because I thought I've seen some of the matches earlier when film people playing. Like in our days also we used to play a benefit game. So we used to ask the bowler to bowl full tosses and hit over the, for sixes and also that kind of cricket. So I thought it was like that. But when I started watching from the first match, and I saw the seriousness of all the teams, the way all the teams played, I really surprised and amazed. And the talent which you people showed is absolutely brilliant. And thanks to the management of Karnataka Bulldozers for asking me to be the chief selector for this year. I readily agreed, and that's how I'm here. And I've been watching the boys, and not only from our own boys, but I heard other teams also. They already started a couple of weeks back, and everyone is serious, and that's what this game is all about. And we are looking forward for another great year for CCL. And I wish all the team to, best of luck. But one thing I just want to say here is play the game as it should be, play in the right spirit, and with, when umpire gives you out, take it gracefully. And that's it. And all the best to all of you. Thank you once.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sonu ji, one quick thing. After the last year's season 1, we made a movie called Vishwavardhana. Sudeep is the hero. And then Priya Mani, who represents CCL, is the brand ambassador, is one of the heroine. Then Bhavna, who is from representing brand ambassador for...
अरे मैं सबको मिलाऊंगा अशोक जी, आप तो हमारा काम आप कर दोगे तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम मिलाएंगे सबको.
No, what I'm saying is, and Sonu Sood's Mumbai,
Yeah.
and they acted in this film together. That's the biggest grossing, most successful Kannada film in the history of Karnataka.
Wow, that deserves a
Fantastic.
huge round of applause.
Congratulations. Chali, now time for some ramp walk, and we want it to start with the captain Sudeep. Music! Ramp is all yours.
Let's hear a huge round of applause for Digant.
Big hand for Dhruv. Dhruv, go.
ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯ ನಾಯಕರು ಆಟದಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಂದಿರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹರಿಸಿ ಬಂದು
Let's hear a huge round of applause for Bhaskar.
ಇಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಜಯ ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿ ಕರುನಾಡಿಗೆ.
A big hand for Chiranjeevi Sarja.
ಎಂದು ಹರಿಸಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ ಇಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಜಯ ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿ ಕರುನಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ತರಲಿ ಎಂದು.
Let's hear it for Tarun Chandra.
A big hand for Pradeep.
Let's hear it for Jay Karthik.
Raise your hands for Rahul.
Let's hear it for Dharma Kirtiraj.
A big hand to Rajiv.
जोरदार तालियां भूमन के लिए.
ಕೆಚ್ಚದ ಗಂಡುಗಲಿ ಕಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿಯುತ್ತಲೇ ನಡುಗುವ
जोरदार तालियां विश्वास के लिए.
ಬ್ಯಾಟನ್ನು ಬೀಸುತ್ತಲಿ ಬಾಲನ್ನು ಎಸೆಯುತ್ತಲಿ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟುವುದ ಬಿಡ 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 ಬಿಡ.
Let's hear it for Siddharamu V.
And last but not the least, GK Anil.
And joining them on the ramp are Karnataka Bulldozers, ravishing team ambassadors, Ointrita Ray and Nidhi Subhaya.
ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯ ನಾಯಕರು ಆಟದಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಂದಿರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹರಿಸಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ ಇದ್ದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಜಯ ಸಾಧಿಸಲಿ ಕರುನಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ತರಲಿ ಎಂದು.
ಮಲೆನಾಡ ಹೀರೋಗೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಕಂಪನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ದೂರಿಂದ ನರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ರಾಜರ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ಸ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ಸ್.
Thank you very much, Karnataka Bulldozers. Thank you, Ashok ji. आप लोग अपना अच्छा काम करते रहिए. All the best wishes from all of us, and have a great season. Lots of love.
Sonuji, thanks for giving us such a wonderful song. I should tell them that you not only sang but composed this song for us.
Yes,
And
yes.
we got a great video which is a super hit all over the world. Thank you so much.
I love you too, sir.
Thank you and congratulations and good luck to the entire team.